Right, so the first thing I want to do on this is just give it some filth. Not 2A. This is a Pultec. This is a Pultec simulator. One of the most beautiful EQs ever made, with the idea being that you can pick your low frequency and you can pick your high frequency, and you can boost and you can attenuate it. So if you're cutting, you turn that one up. If you're boosting, you turn that one up. But if you turn up both the boost and the cut, it kind of boosts it and then cuts it, but with a different cue. So you get some really interesting curves. And because the original piece is a valve unit, there's some lovely rich harmonics that come from it. So I'm going to have a go and see whether this gets me what I want on the guitars. So I attenuate. Yeah, 60. That's what they were. That's what it was. And now I'm going to go for a 2A. I just love this 2A plugin. I don't know what I'd do without it, to be honest. I'll just use something else. I'll tell you what I love more than the 2A plugin, because I sound like I'm going about plugins. An actual LA-2A. I mean, I've been considering buying some of the warm audio copies, because these things are like $3,000 or something for one of these, for a real one. So I've been I've been thinking about buying one of the clones of it by Warm Audio, which apparently are meant to be identical, and building myself a little rack where I wanted 2 LA-2A kind of equivalents and 2 1176 equivalents and 2 of these Pultecs, so I can do stereo pairs, and then I can actually run them out to a real unit and fiddle with them, and in some cases record like the mic on the way in like that. I don't know. Maybe after... I mean, I love these plugins and I think they sound great, but I just want to get my hands on a real knob. Someone's going to clip that out and turn it into a meme or something. I don't know. Well, listen to that. So let's have a listen in the mix, those ones. So if I turn all those plugins off, right, I don't want them that wide. I don't want them dead left and right. I kind of want them about 70 something. So 77, that's a place where the mouse seems to rest on naturally. There we go.